Number 1. 1987 Nissan D21 Work Truck, $3,500, Maple Ridge, British Columbia. This 1987 Nissan D21 is a durable compact pickup known for reliability and simple mechanical design. Finished in blue with a clean title, this manual transmission truck has 329,000 miles and remains in good condition. Recently serviced with a full tune-up, new muffler, and tailpipe. It also includes relatively new snow tires. Purchased for renovation work and moving duties, this lightweight rear-wheel drive pickup represents practical classic Japanese truck engineering. The D21 has developed a strong following for its rugged chassis and long-lasting four-cylinder engines, making it an affordable entry-level classic utility truck. Number 2. 1985 GMC Sierra Classic C1500, $3,900, Pittsboro, Indiana. This 1985 GMC Sierra Classic C1500 long bed pickup is an original example of General Motors' square body design. Powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 engine with 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission, it runs and drives well. Showing 121,000 miles with odometer rollover noted, it features dual fuel tanks, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and rally wheels with Michelin tires. Rust is present, yet the truck has been stored in a controlled environment for 20 years. With mostly original components intact, including jack equipment and spare tire, this is an ideal restoration project representing a desirable era of American half-ton trucks. Number 3. 1959 Ford F100 four-wheel drive, $10,500, Kalispell, Montana. This 1959 Ford F100 four-wheel drive project truck is offered as a restoration candidate or parts donor. Finished in blue with a clean title, it currently has no engine or transmission. The body shows rust but retains many hard-to-find original components. It rolls and steers, which is important for transport and restoration planning. Late 1950s Ford trucks are highly collectible due to their classic body lines and strong aftermarket support. At $1,500 in Kalispell, Montana, this example offers an affordable starting point for a custom build or factory-style restoration. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne, $5,000, Las Cruces, New Mexico. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne represents the final year of the highly sought-after second-generation Chevrolet C-Series. Finished in orange and white, it shows hail damage and rust in the lower rocker panels, but the floors and bed are solid. Powered by a 455 cubic inch Oldsmobile engine with automatic transmission, it requires a radiator and battery to run. Factory air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes add desirability. With original hubcaps and a straight tailgate, this truck has strong restoration potential despite cosmetic and mechanical needs. Number 5. 1982 Chevrolet C20 Crew Cab, $3,500, Pendleton, Oregon. This 1982 Chevrolet C20 Crew Cab 3/4-ton long bed crew cab is equipped with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Showing 79,000 miles, though rollover is uncertain, it runs very well and has been owned for 20 years. Minor surface rust is present on the rocker panels, but the truck remains straight overall. Crew cab square body trucks have gained popularity due to their practicality and bold styling. Located in Pendleton, Oregon, this example offers strong value for collectors seeking a heavy-duty classic pickup. Number 6. 1988 Chevrolet C3500 Silverado, $3,675, Fresno, California. This 1988 Chevrolet C3500 Silverado is powered by a 7.4-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs strong and shifts smoothly, though cosmetic wear places it in fair condition. The odometer is inoperative and broke in 2018, and the shift indicator does not function. The interior is generally good, aside from a tear in the driver's seat. With only about 500 miles driven since 2017 in Fresno, California, this heavy-duty one-ton truck offers solid mechanical strength and strong towing capability at an affordable price. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet custom-built dump truck, $5,000, Port Edwards, Wisconsin. This 1988 Chevrolet custom-built dump truck is powered by a 366 cubic inch gasoline engine and manual transmission. Showing 114,500 miles, it runs well despite being cold-natured at startup and features a new battery. Dump trucks from this era are valued for their mechanical simplicity and rugged chassis construction. Located in Port Edwards, Wisconsin, this truck is suited for light commercial use or farm applications, with pricing that reflects minor restoration needs. Number 8. 1966 Ford F600, $800, Sterling, Nebraska. This 1966 Ford F600 medium-duty truck is offered in fair condition with a missing title. Equipped with what is believed to be a 330 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and 2-speed rear axle, it runs and the lift bed operates properly. The brakes require attention, and the driver window glass is broken. Classic medium-duty Ford trucks are appreciated for their industrial styling and heavy-duty frames. At $800 in Sterling, Nebraska, it represents a budget restoration or farm utility project. Number 9. 1946 GMC 1.5-ton truck, $10,000, Modesto, California. This 1946 GMC 1.5-ton truck is powered by a 270 cubic inch inline-6 engine and 3-speed manual transmission with 2-speed rear axle. It runs and drives well and includes numerous spare engine components. Previously used on a ranch, it retains strong mechanical integrity, though fuel and temperature gauges are not functioning. Post-war GMC trucks are admired for their Art Deco-influenced styling and durability. Located in Modesto, California, this truck offers vintage commercial character with useful mechanical condition. Number 10. 1977 Ford F100 short stepside, $12,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1977 Ford F100 half-ton short stepside pickup shows 90,000 documented original miles and retains its freewheeling package. Powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 engine with automatic transmission, it features power steering, power disc brakes, tilt steering, and new dual exhaust, tires, brakes, and battery. Described as matching the original sales brochure and supported by a Marti report, this truck represents a well-preserved example of late 1970s Ford styling. Located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, it carries strong collector appeal. Number 11. 1965 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $10,000 reward, Tacoma, Washington. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, described in excellent condition with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, has been reported stolen in Tacoma, Washington. A $10,000 reward is offered for information leading to recovery. Mid-1960s Chevrolet C10 trucks are highly collectible for their clean body lines and strong performance potential. The listing references an official case number in Pierce County, Washington. This truck represents a significant classic vehicle loss, and its recovery would be important to the collector community.